What's up you guys? Welcome back. My name is Jency V, and if you don't know me and you haven't been here before, well, I do makeup, fashion, and lifestyle videos just for you, and I make it easy and fast in my own way. Of course, if you see value in this video, smash that like button down below. And if you have any suggestions at all for this upcoming month, next upcoming month, comment down below. So today I'm gonna be showing you an easy, fast makeup date night out. It's almost Valentine's Day. You can use this for anything actually. You can do this in an everyday look. And also, I'm gonna be launching my product very soon in 2 months. Of course, follow me on my Instagram page because I'll be updating more of my beauty products over there. Alright, so enough blabbing right now. Let's get into the video. So like you see, I'm wearing something simple and classy for a night out with my boyfriend. Usually he just likes me wearing just a simple look, not too crazy or anything. So that's what I'm gonna be showing you guys, especially it's almost February. It doesn't have to be Valentine's for you guys to spend time with your loved ones, but this could be your everyday look as well. But let's get started. So I've already done like the primer, the foundation, the concealer, all of that. So we're gonna jump right into our eye look. So right now we're gonna start with a Naked palette right here by Urban Decay, and we're gonna be using a lot of pinks and browns and just light colors, making our makeup look natural, neutral, all of that. So I'm gonna get my brush like this. I'm gonna be starting with the brown, this color right here. Now we're gonna start right the end of my brows and then going towards the bridge of my nose, and then we're just gonna go in circle motion. Then you can make it as dark as you like, just keep adding that brown if you want it darker. You're gonna do it on this other side as well. I just keep adding that brown just to make it a little bit darker, and it kind of pops a little bit. Now with a different brush, I'm actually gonna choose like a little bit flatter brush. I'm gonna go on a neutral color, neutral pink, no glitter or anything, and I'm just gonna dab that right on the center of my lid. So now I'm gonna use my finger actually and get like a bronze brown color, and I'm just gonna dab that right in the center of my lid. And the whole reason I'm using the kind of like a bronzy goldy color is that because it kind of matches with my skin color. If you're a little bit lighter skin, you should be using a glittery light pink. It would really like pop your eyes more. So that's why I'm gonna be using like a gold color just to kind of match my skin color. So with another flat brush, I'm gonna go back to that brown, and then I'm gonna just put it right on my lower lash line. Now you want to grab another brush, and I'm gonna take the white eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna like put that right under my brows, just right there, just to kind of highlight your brow bone like that. Now with the same brush, I'm gonna dab this right on my glittery pink, light pink. I'm gonna put that on my inner corners just to highlight that, kind of to open up your eyes a little bit. So now we are ready to do our eyeliner. And we're just gonna do a regular line. I'm not gonna do a wing line today, you guys. Now we're gonna go straight to our lips, and I'm gonna start with my lip liner. We're gonna go back to our eyes, okay? And I'm just gonna outline my lips. And then with my Bare Minerals pink lipstick. And usually what I like to do is to get like a white eyeshadow and just like dab it right in the middle or the center of my lip, just to, you know, brighten it up, to have that 3D effect of a pouty lip. So you want to make sure that the ends of your lips are darker than the middle, and you'll have that effect. So now I'm actually going to be using one of my lashes. I'm so excited to launch this, you guys, because it is so comfortable. Now I'm going to put some mascara on my lower lashes. I get like a gold highlight, and I'm just gonna put that on the tip of my nose, just the highlight on my cheeks. And I want to look rosy, so I'm gonna get like a kind of like a lighter pink. I'm just gonna start right by my hairline, then work my way down. I don't want it too pink, but I want it to glow and look rosy still. I'll just kind of swipe it back and forth right on the center of my nose. Then I'm gonna put some on my forehead. Can you believe that, you guys? My lashes are so lightweight. They are going to be out very soon. This is called the Hustle. I'm wearing the Hustle right now. It's super long, and they are very lightweight. They're easy to put on. They are affordable for you guys. So stay tuned, because my lashes are gonna be out soon. And of course, make sure to follow me on my Instagram page, because I'm gonna be updating a lot of things over there on my launch date. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I am ready for a night date. I'm ready for a night out, and I hope this was a little bit easy to follow along. It wasn't really a lot. It's more like the lashes. You don't really need to put the lashes on, the fake lashes. If you didn't want to, you can just skip to your mascara and you're done. So thank you for staying till the end of this video. I hope you guys like this video. If you haven't done it yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel right here, and to smash that like button down below, and of course to click that notification bell down below to get notified for my next upcoming videos. And I'll see you guys on my next one.